Question 7. Grape juice was mixed with red rose extract. The mixture got a tint of red color. What will happen if baking soda is added to this mixture? Justify your answer. Answer. When baking soda is added to the mixture of grape juice and red rose extract, the tint of red color will likely change to green. Justification. 1. Nature of grape juice. Grape juice is slightly acidic due to the presence of organic acids such as tartaric acid. When mixed with red rose extract, which is known to turn red in acidic solutions, the resulting mixture takes on a red tint. 2. Effect of baking soda. Baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, is a basic substance. When it is added to an acidic solution, it reacts with the acid to neutralize it. This neutralization reaction will change the pH of the mixture from acidic to neutral or slightly basic. 3. Color change of red rose extract. The red rose extract changes color based on the pH of the solution. In acidic conditions, it appears red. In neutral to basic conditions, it turns green. Therefore, when baking soda is added to the red grape juice and red rose extract mixture, the acidity will be neutralized, causing the color to shift from red to green. Key point. The addition of a basic substance like baking soda to an acidic mixture can lead to a significant color change in natural indicators, demonstrating the principles of acid-base chemistry.